Hello and welcome back to another episode of Sparkys Tech Corner. Today we got another eBay unboxing. This is going to be from Advanced Recovery Inc. And what's in here is a old Macintosh LC II. Now, I used to have one of these when I was a kid, but unfortunately growing up, my parents decided to throw it away to get something new. So I don't have my original one, but that's why I went to looking to actually find this one. There is some issues with it. I bought it under the pretenses of knowing that the computer does not power on. So I've got a feeling that it's going to be a power supply issue, and we'll be doing a video over that too, trying to turn this thing down, getting it fixed, seeing what we need to do to get it up and running again. Plus, doing some modifications on it. So, like every other review, eBay review, let's go ahead and open this up and let's check the packaging out and just take a look at the product itself. This came from a recycling center, so I'm not for sure if they're going to be taking the best interest in packaging this thing. They might. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Start from an end, start off as an end stop. Let's take a look here. They got a lot of rigid packing, but they don't have any soft packing, it looks like. Unless they got in here below this box. Feels like Christmas. Now, like I suspected, no soft packing. Got the power cord. Yep, old Macintosh LC II. Take this off, look at it. Whew. I can always smell burnt electronics. Now I guarantee you what's probably happened. It's the power supply's gone out of it. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do a restoration on this one. Start a new video series on that. Right now I'm still in the middle of preparing the Archeo. I got be putting the capacitors back in that one, reassembling it, then taking it back to the owner and testing it. So since I get that one done, we got another stereo to look at. Ooh, look at this. Huh, we got a capacitor here. Wonder where that came from. Looks like case is broke. Too. So, yeah, I was already expecting it to be damaged. But at least I was hoping it wasn't going to be too damaged, which it isn't. Alright, well that's going to be all for this video. It's just a simple unboxing and checking everything out on this. So, like always, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.